Okay. Well, the camera's rolling. What do you want to do? You got anything to say?
Yeah, so we are going to be doing two kinds of smoke bombs. So we're going to be doing these ones with like the dust already out, and this one with the like the paper wrapped in it.
Let's get a good look at those and see what we got here. Color smoke balls, color spot. Okay, looks good.
Alright, let's open these. Alright, so first let's start out with some purple. Where should we put it, Dad?
I don't know. What do you think?
Maybe, no, not there. Let's just put it right here.
I think that'll be
Away
fine.
from the chalk.
And you want me to light it for you?
I'm going to do this. Alright.
Alright, here we go. Or maybe you should come out of the smoke. You don't want to breathe that.
That was cool.
It was pretty quick. Gone in a puff of smoke. Did you see that little kid?
Yeah.
I didn't see him there till after we lit the smoke bomb.
Put another purple one up.
Okay.
But this time it's a different color. Or like a different kind. It's literally still the same color.
Oh, from the other bag. Let's see how that goes.
Let's put it right next to this.
Okay.
Ooh, wait, I have a better idea.
Are you going to do two at once or something? Uh-oh. Pretty hardcore.
Hey, excuse me. I was wondering, he was pointing at it. I guess you want to play with something. You mind?
Oh, just for a minute, I guess. What's his name?
Chase.
Chase? You can hang out with us for a minute, Chase.
Come on, Chase. Come on.
We're setting off some smoke bombs. You got that ball?
Yeah,
You want to play with that?
Here, Chase, you want to swing? Come here. Let's swing. You want to swing? Come on.
All right, let's try this.
You want to set all those off at once?
Yes.
All right.
It will be amazing.
Here's what we got.
Smoke bombs? What?
Yep.
Smoke bombs.
Yeah, there's smoke bombs. There's
No
like
smoke bombs.
6 of
We're
them.
filming it on
Smoke bombs. Come
camera.
back here. Come on. Come on. Smoke bombs, baby.
I'm trying. That's going to be
No, you
tricky.
just put it out.
I know. It's tricky to get all of them at once. There must be a better way. There must be a better way.
There must be.
Wait.
I'm going to try to line them all up.
Okay, that's a good idea.
You think that'll work?
Yeah.
I think so too.
Okay, it's going.
Here we go. We'll see.
I think it's working. Yeah, all of them are going off.
Okay. I only see the white so far.
They make this a grayish color.
Only the white went. These 3 still didn't go.
There we go. Oh. Whoa.
Oh, look. 3 different colors.
Come here, look. Come back here. Look. Smoke bomb.
Almost Mardi Gras. How exciting. Yeah, smoke bombs.
All right, let's do the next time.
More?
Yes. Hey there, ants. Hello there, ants. Touch each other.
Be careful. Let me tell you. Go.
I'm trying to get these right.
I know. It's hard to get them to line up just right. That looks good.
Hurry up. More.
I think they're all touchy now. Oh, you're gonna put more on there. You're gonna put them all on there?
Well, I can't fit all of them.
Yeah, looks like you're
I'm
doing
just getting
pretty good.
ready.
See how I want to go on the slide.
Okay, I can fit them all. I
Okay.
did it.
Yeah.
Chase.
If you want them all to go off, they all gotta be touching, remember?
Yeah, hold on, okay? No. Put your hands right here. Hold on. Pull up. Go down. Pull up.
I don't know, Eddie. Let's see what we get.
Hold on. Don't fall. Pull up.
Oh. You're doing pull-ups.
One more.
Mm.